2 turntables and the microphone. Alright. Now it's the time to install my front pair turbo fans. But in order to do that, I need to choose either the neochrome 2-inch neochromes or the 1.8-inch black extended lug nuts. So also check out my alignment afterwards. The aftermath of my alignment. Negative 4.2 cambers in the front. Casters are alright. So yeah, that's my gap. Okay, let's go check out the lug nuts measurements. So I have put two different tuner lug nuts here, next closest to each other. We're gonna see who's the flushest one here. There's a gap between the black tuner, the 1.8 inch, and the 2-inch neochrome looks like to be the winner here. Very flush. So the second part of this installation is get another set of lug nuts, which is lug bolts. I'm gonna try this to get most of the threads, just to make sure I don't get jammed with the neochrome lug nuts there. I'm gonna need that clamp down. So that looks good. It doesn't get seized with the tuner lug nuts there, with the neochromes. So I have to keep doing this throughout the rest of my 27mm lug nuts that will mount the turbo fans. Yep, keep doing that. All 10 of them. Let's say the turbo fan is in between. And it's good. Not bad. So if I find a bad bolt, a bad lug nut, I do this with a tap and die. Make sure it makes it all the way through. I just thought of this. Comment below if I'm doing this wrong. Okay, let's test it now. And of course, if there is a play between the extended lug nuts and bolt, then I need to put a spacer somewhere around here, right on top of the turbo fan. Apply some anti-seize. That way I can properly remove or install the turbo fans. So when I remove the turbo fan, I make sure this stays behind with the wheel. this looks like a good spot. Alright guys, I found a place. Poly Lookout. Got the shin limb going on. So yeah, it's my dirty Jeep. Just gonna take a quick video shoot around this parking area. I'm not gonna drive around. Right, I'm out of here. There's too much cops. Till next time. Oh, look. Check out my work tray I made. I have a medical supply table attached to a green metallic tray for pets. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, look at the turbo fans. Look at my table.